Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, information from Chelsea camp. Chelsea want to sign as a striker, a defender, and a winger before the transfer window open. Yes. And for that matter, Chelsea want to sell these players to found Dansanis. Yes. And even from Fabrizio, that Asset Disasi, Ben Chilwell, and Ryan Sterling. For them, Chelsea will sell them. They will not come back to Chelsea. Even if they come back to Chelsea when their loan spell ends, still Chelsea will let them go. They are no more in the plans of Chelsea. Asset Disasi, Ryan Sterling, and Ben Chilwell. Yes. And even so many players Chelsea want to sell or will sell to fund these signings. The likes of Vega and Co. Yes. The likes of Kepa Areza Balaha. So many players. Almost 8 to 12 players. Yes. Charlie, it will not be easy summer for Chelsea, I'm telling you. Because some of these players that Chelsea will sell, I don't think the money that Chelsea will be looking to sell them, those buyers will really bring that fee. Yes, that will be an issue, big issue for some of these players as you are watching on the screen. Yes, the potential players Chelsea may sell to find these signings, the striking position, the defending position, and the winning position. Yes. And let's talk about our striking position, guys. In fact, because this is where the concentration is, the debate, the argument is. Because some fans are saying Chelsea should still go back for Seaman. Some are saying Chelsea should go for Victor Yogre, Sesko, Dilap. In fact, argument among Chelsea fan base all over the world. Guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. Your opinion, your thought. But for me, what I know is that I want a striker. As a Chelsea fan, for me, I want a clinical striker. I don't want to go to another season without a striker. Whether Osimhen, whether Isak, whether Sesko, whether Victor Yogres, whether Dilap, who and who. Even if they are going to bring me Ghana Premier League striker, who can score goals for me, I'm taking him. I am sick and tired of this Chelsea. No. You need goals to win football games. You need goals to win games and progress. So I need a striker. And I don't need a striker who will come and develop again. No. I need us as a clinical striker. Yes, someone who has seen it, someone who can give us at least 20 to 25 goals in a season. At least 20 goals in a season striker I want. By the way, guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. Among all these strikers Chelsea link up to, Benjamin Sesko, Osimhen, Isak, Dilap, who and who. Let me hear from you. Among them, who should Chelsea sign? Yes. Because, as I said, it is important position for us to have a striker next. Is very, very, very important. Yes. And let's come to the next player or the next transfer. But before we go there, guys, please, just to remind you again, please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it gives me the belief, the motivation to give you more videos. So please, and let me hear from you under the comment section about our striking signings. Yes. And let's come to this player, Dean Hodgson. Let me see his name. Yes, Dean Hodgson. Yes. This guy, this season, he is playing well for Bournemouth. He is good. I think he's Spain international. He played recently. Yes, they are international games. He is good. Yes. I watched, yes, even yesterday I watched his game. Spain, Netherlands. Yes, I watch his game. Spain won at the end. Yes, penalty. Yes. So this player, he is good. Even in the Premier League, he's playing well. So Chelsea interested to sign him, guys. Not only Chelsea. In fact, all the big guns interested to sign him. You see Liverpool, Manchester United, yes, even Arsenal, even outside England. I heard Bayern Munich and Co. Yes, even Real Madrid also wants him. So that showed that he is good. That showed that he had the potential. But do we need him in this current Chelsea? Because it isn't that we don't have players. We have Badiashile, we have Disasi, yes, we have Cheluba, we have Tosin, we have Liverpool, but just that the experience is the issue. And this guy, another young player who had the potential, who got it. He is 19 years. I think he was 17 or 18. He just turned 19. Yes. So that is my issue with this player. He is good. And also Chelsea. Chelsea is different. See, guys, observe some of our players who, when they go outside Chelsea, they perform. But when they come to Chelsea, they turn to another players. Poor players. So that is an issue. We don't know. We may take another risk, go and sign all these caliber or young potential players. When they come to Chelsea, you can't even believe the same player you signed, the same player who was on form that you signed. So guys, that is my issue with this signing, Dean Hodgson from Beno. But by the way, guys, that is my opinion. Let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought about this. And do you think we need him? Do you think he will be good for us just going in to sign him? Because information said that just have a good relationship with him and his agent. So no matter how Bayern Munich, Liverpool, or who Arsenal, Manchester United want him, but Chelsea, dear, we have a close relationship with him and his agent. If Chelsea want to sign him, indeed, Chelsea will sign him. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about this player. That is my opinion. Let me hear from you. Do you think Chelsea should sign him? Do you think his signing is important for us? And let's come to Jordan Sancho. Jordan Sancho. It was a rumors, big argument. Chelsea should sign him back. Chelsea should sign him permanently. Now, guys, a fee has been revealed. If Chelsea will send Jordan Sancho back to Manchester United, Chelsea will have to pay 5 million. 5 million. So now, guys, another big question. Should Chelsea pay 25 million for Jordan Sancho or pay the 5 million to send him back? If Chelsea pay the 25 million, he will stay. He will now be our player permanent. Should Chelsea pay that 25 million for him to stay, or Chelsea should pay 5 million and return him back to Manchester United? And Sancho, in fact, he started the season very well with us, gave some assists, even scored at least 1 goal or 2 goals for Chelsea this season. Yes. So he wasn't bad at the beginning, but just that at the end, since December up to now, we haven't seen the best of Sancho. We haven't seen the Sancho that will sign. Yes. So that is the issue. And also, Estavio, so many wingers even just signed. Yes, recently just signed a winger who joined 2026. So that means we need space at the wing position to give these young players the playing time for them to develop. I don't know, maybe they are lone players again. But if Chelsea is signing all these players to come, I think we need a space in that wing position. Yes, to accommodate them. Estavio will be joining us. In fact, Chelsea signed 2 wingers who joined 2026. And if these players are coming to play for Chelsea, then we need a space. Yes, we need a vacant for them to come and fill, get the playing time and develop. By the way, guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. Chelsea will have to pay 5 million to send Sancho back to United or sign Sancho permanently. 25 million. And another issue is that his wages. Yes, if Sancho wants to stay Chelsea, he has to lower his wages. But that one, forget. This our owners, I don't think they will pay Sancho £250,000 a week. Even Cole Palmer is not taking that. No. Cucurella is not taking that. No. So I don't think so. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about Sancho signing. And João Felix. João Felix, in fact, another Charlie, I don't understand. See guys, for me, what I see about this João Felix transfer, he has to be patient. Because information said that he will return. He will come back to Chelsea. And if any reasonable fee comes, Chelsea will sell him. But some fans are saying that Chelsea should let him stay and be a backup for Palmer. And the issue is that Felix is the problem here. He was the backup for Palmer. But at a point, Felix started complaining. He started saying that he also wants playing time. Yes, at a point, even some of we, the fans, started complaining why Maresca is not playing him. And the issue is that Felix cannot bench Cole Palmer. And when you look at them, they are similar players, the same position. Yes, let's be honest, guys. Yes, we know some days Palmer will be tired, Maresca should substitute him. But sometimes, when you look at this, our team, you can't believe this, our team, that 100% removing your important players when you win games. One of the reasons why Maresca wasn't substituting Cole Palmer when he was tired. You can't believe this our squad. Yes, some games we want them in contentious. Yes, risky way. So maybe Maresca didn't want to substitute Cole Palmer. Maybe at the end we lost the game and it caused another problem. By the way, in a normal sense, reality, Felix will be a good backup for Cole Palmer. But guys, Felix will never want to be a bench player. That is the issue. See, when Felix returns to Chelsea, wait and see. 3 to 4 games, if Felix doesn't play, he will start complaining. He will start calling for playing time, which can happen because Maresca have to bench someone like Cole Palmer. Yes, if Felix want to play him in his right position, like we have to bench Cole Palmer, which can happen. So for me, I think Felix, he has to be patient. He has to understand himself. He has to know that he is no more the Felix. Yes, beginning Felix. Atlantico Madrid Felix. 120 million Felix. But for him, he's still looking at himself that way. My respect to him. But he has to understand that he's no more that Felix. So he has to be patient. This is Chelsea. This is the Premier League. You can't come and not be giving your best and expect 90 minutes Premier League football. No. Until you start giving your best as a player in the Premier League, or the Premier League is not for you. Look at our Nkunku. Nkunku is a good player, but sometimes he doesn't put in the match work. That is the issue. You are good until you prove it, until you show the intensity, until you show the hard work. Yes, to deserve the playing time. So guys, Felix also to return to Chelsea, and information said that if any reasonable fee comes, Chelsea may sell him. But some fans are saying that Chelsea should use him as a good backup. Guys, let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about this Felix coming back. Should Chelsea sell him or should Chelsea let him stay? Guys, let me hear from you. And also, guys, let me hear from you on all what we discussed in this video. And today, Ghana, Madagascar, or Madagascar, Ghana, it will be away, but it will play in Morocco. Yes, we are wishing them all the best. The Black Stars, yes. The last game we play 5-0, yes, clean sheet, 5 goals, yes, that is good. It has been a long time I see my Black Stars attackers scoring goals. So maybe since Black Stars attackers started scoring goals, just our attackers, when we return, they will also start, yes. And England also play their with our former boss. They won comfortable, yes, they play some nice football. As for me, these countries, you see England and Ghana, they look the same. It has been a long time they won a major trophy. So any day that England win a major trophy, Ghana Blasters, Ghana will also win a major trophy. And as I said, our attackers, Inaki Williams, Semenyo and Co, Jordan and Co, yes, they all score on that day. Yes, Enes Nuama, yes, Kudus wanted to score. Kudus did everything he could, but the goals didn't, yes, came. By the way, maybe this Madagascar game, Kudus may score. Yes, we are wishing them all the best because, Charlie, this World Cup we must go. The AFCON, for the AFCON, we'll give it to the likes of Nigeria and Co to play. Yes, those who qualify, our brothers. Go and play the AFCON. Nigeria, go and play. We don't want the AFCON. We want World Cup. That's why we didn't qualify. So the AFCON, America, we are coming. Canada, we are coming. Mexico, we are coming. Watch out, we are coming to lift the World Cup. Yes, we are beating Madagascar today as we are shooting this video. Yes. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. And please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it gives me the belief, the motivation to give you more videos. Take care, peace.